Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope everyone is having a great week so far. Today we are on day number 90 of the My Lead Gen Secret Challenge, guys. So we are ending out 3 months doing this challenge, guys. I'm super excited that we hit this milestone. Our first 90 days in this challenge, guys, will be our first 90 days, which will be today. All right. We made it to July the 16th. Thank the Lord that we made it to this day. That way I can come here and show you guys some cool stuff and show you, this method with the My Lead Gen Secret and ClickBank. If you guys are new to this video, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, which is a 1-year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, okay, in the e-business, e-marketing section. And we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets, all right? We're putting those two together and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing so. Okay. So I would recommend you guys subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Comment below. Okay. But this is going to be a very interesting series, and I'm going to show you how this thing is going to take off here shortly. We're getting into it. We're ending out our first 90 days to where we're going to get to month 4. Tomorrow will be our month 4. We'll kick that off tomorrow. And then we're going to get, knee deep into this challenge. And we're going to start seeing some results and start seeing some changes. Okay. So, I'm happy to be here, guys. Just want to thank you for, sticking with me through this process. If you guys have been watching these videos or have subscribed to the channel, I appreciate you guys, and share this with someone who's looking for to make extra income as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. We're on day number 90. Let me show you how to send out how easy it is to do this method. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 leads every single day, and what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. Okay. Now the cool thing about this My Lead Gen Secrets program is that you can have multiple accounts, okay, like I do and like many others do as well. I have 8 different accounts, okay, and what you can do is you can sign up under your own self, guys. You can sign up under yourself, okay, for your accounts, okay. That way you get a kickback of your monthly payment, okay. So that monthly bill that you're paying for this service, which is, pretty much pennies to have this service, you're going to get a kickback of that as well. Okay. Which I've already cashed out. My Whenever you sign up under yourself, you get a kickback of your monthly fee, and your monthly fee is $30. So you get a portion of that coming back to your account, and then you can cash out whenever you like. Okay. So, which is pretty cool. Now, a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over 3.5 years, maybe 4 years. I'm not sure. I have to look. At one of my first accounts, but I started, over a few years ago, guys. I totally love the service. Okay. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. Okay. And it does convert. Okay. Now, this traffic is cold traffic. Okay, guys. So these people have no idea who you are. And it takes, a little while for them to get warmed up to you and to recognize who you are and to trust you. And then they'll start purchasing from you. Okay. And as you can see through this series, when we first started on day number 1, okay, then you seen how slow it was, and then things started to build with this, with this method, okay, with this, offer that I'm promoting, and things started to climb, and then now we're starting to see a little bit more consistency with what we're doing, okay. So that's just a little bit about myself. I've been in this internet marketing space over 20 years now, okay, which is a couple of decades. Okay, show you how old I am, but I've been doing this for a couple of decades, and it's been a fun ride. I do different things online to earn income online. This is just one little method. This is basically chump change to the type of stuff that I'm doing, okay. But I do other marketing online, which I'll get into later on in this channel. Okay, because this channel is all about giving back value and just showing you guys cool stuff on what I'm doing. Okay, now with this free method, okay, which is what I'm showing you guys now, I'm going to get into more other make money online opportunities that I do as well to earn income. Okay. And that could be anywhere from YouTube to paid online marketing. Okay. And just a lot of cool stuff that's out there that you can do to make money, guys. So that's my, you know, agenda here is to just bring nothing but value to this channel, which is True Freedom Income, which is this channel is going to be just dedicated to just showing you guys tips and tricks on how to earn income online. All right. And just showing you guys what I know. Okay. I'm not some guru or anything like that. But I've definitely been in this space, and I can tell you what does work, what doesn't work. Okay, and there's a lot of people out here that's just promoting certain things just to make training programs just to make money and not really showing you anything. So I've paid thousands of dollars over this course of 20 years to get the knowledge that I have now when it comes to marketing. Okay. So I do know a few little a few little things, about doing this. Okay, I've been in this space, so that's just a little bit about myself, guys. Just kind of wanted to share that with you. Now, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay, my office is going to look like yours. Okay, the only difference is obviously my affiliate link is going to be different, and also the emails that I'm sending out versus the ones you are sending out are going to be different because obviously we're not sending out the same emails every single day. Okay. But everything else is going to look the same. Now, when you go over here to the mailing system, this is going to be the most important tab that we're going to be using is going to be the mailing system. This is where you send out all of your emails. Okay. So when you go down here, you want to click on select all. And what that does is selects all your emails. So you can basically send out an email to however many people that you have in your list. Okay. With this list, this account that I have, one of eight, this one has over 180,000 subscribers. This is one of my other later accounts that I got later. Okay. Built up. I've already maxed out. Your max that you can get is 200,000. And then once you get to 200,000, then all of the old emails, you're still going to get new emails, but all of the old emails are going to start dropping off. And eventually all your emails are going to just be fresh emails. Okay. So this account, I'm just a little bit away of maxing this one out as well. This is one of my later accounts. I think it may be account 6 or something like that. But this is one of my later accounts, guys. It has about 183 people, 183,000 people in it, which is not bad. And then what we want to do is come down here where it says subject, and then we want to see the body. Okay, I've already sent out my emails today, as you can see down here at the bottom. You can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay, that's very important to know that. That way you can kind of get a schedule whether you want to send your emails out in the morning or you want to do them at night. Okay. So me, I've tried both ways to either do them in the morning or doing them at night. Me, I kind of like doing them late at night. Okay. Because, people are up at night and then also they're up early in the morning. Okay. So I like to kind of do it at night. It's just been my algorithm and it's been working for me. Okay. So the offer that we are using for this program is going to be the social sales rep on ClickBank. If you go to clickbank.com, you can create a free account. It doesn't cost you anything. And we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. They have 20 different emails that we can use. And we're just going to keep recycling these same emails. Okay. And sending them to the service. Okay. And you're going to see once you keep sending these same emails out, they're going to start, people are going to start catching on and they're going to start purchasing from you. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to one of these emails. Okay. And let's go ahead and try this one right here. And all we have to do is we're just going to copy and paste, right? So just want to make sure I didn't. Okay. Yeah. So let's go ahead and send this one out. I believe we sent out 2 yesterday. So let's go ahead and take this one, Control C, come back over here, and then we want to Control V. Okay. You want to see how easy that was? And then you want to come down here. Okay. And you want to click on perfect timing. And you want to take all of this out right here. Okay. And you want to put in the body of text that's in the email. So you want to come down here. Okay. And then you want to grab this body and grab it, all of it. Boom. Grab that and Control C. Okay. And then what we want to do is come back over here and Control V. Like it's just super simple, guys. And you want to put in either your name or management, whichever one. And right up here where it says hi name, we want to take that out and we want to address our prospect by their first name. So we have these little codes here that we can use. So we're going to just use this code. So just take this. And right here it says first name. So that means we're going to address our prospect by their first name, right? So let's go ahead and go down here. And then we want to come here and we want to take this name out and we want to make this a code. So let's go ahead and Control V. Okay, boom. That's it, guys. And then in this email, guys, we're going to be looking for a call of action text. And usually with these emails, why I like sending these is because it already has in bold letters where your clickable link should be at. So right here where it says click here, this is a call of action word, right? Click here, apply now, send, get started here, whatever, right? So what we're going to do is underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link that we're going to use just for this email. Okay. And this link goes with this email. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So basically they're giving us the vendor is giving us everything we need, right? To earn income, right? We got the subject line, we got the body of text, and we got the link to go with it. Okay. The only thing we need to do is take out where it says your ClickBank ID, and you want to put in your ClickBank ID, whatever that is, whenever you create your ClickBank account, or if you already have one. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this. What I like to do usually when it's just a couple words, I like to take the whole sentence and we want to make that a clickable link. So let's go ahead and click on this link tab right here, and then we want to Control V, and then let's go ahead and take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. You want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, don't put in mine, but put in yours, the one that you come up with. And what that does here, guys, it turns this into a clickable link. So what I like to do is I like to make that text bigger. So Control A, and then come down here, either do 16 or 18, whichever one you guys want to do. And as you can see, this email looks pretty good. Okay. So now what we're doing, when you see this email, it's going to say, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your prospect's name is. Working from home is becoming increasingly popular, right? So basically it goes into the email, and then it gives our prospect a call to action button right here. So all they got to do is click there. Okay. And then it'll take them to our affiliate page, which does all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So um, our job is to get our prospect to click on this link and then get them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page just does all the selling for us. Okay, which is pretty cool. So what we want to do now is come to the bottom of this email. There's going to be two buttons. Okay, one button is going to say click here. I'm sorry, guys. One button is going to say send now, and one button is going to say preview. You want to click on preview. When you preview the ad, it pulls up your ad in real time, and it pulls up your email in real time, and then it allows you to click on this link. Okay, and this link, you want to click on it to make sure that it works and that it goes to your affiliate page. Okay, so that's very important. Now, when you click on it, what you're looking for is your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay, so we're going to be looking for the affiliate ID in the URL. So that's very important that we have that. Okay. So let's go ahead and come down here. And then after you do that, you just want to click on send now. So once you do, you send that out, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. If you kind of miss what I said, just go back to the beginning of this video and you're going to be able to just watch it again and just kind of do it again if you guys are following along with me, which is what I recommend. Okay. So if you guys wanted to get started with the My Legion secret system, you want to come down here, guys, and you want to click on the More tab, and you want to come down here to this link right here, this tiny URL, and click on this MLGS True Freedom link. It's going to take you to the My Legion secret homepage. Would sign up for the homepage, guys. It costs you one-time charge of $60 and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer on this program, guys. It's just an awesome program. And I recommend you getting on. Okay, what an affiliate marketer needs, what every person needs online that's looking to make money online is traffic. Okay, and what you're doing is you're investing in your traffic, your own traffic that stays with you. Okay, this list that I have, these customers are with me, guys. I can come in every single day and I can send out an email and I can get clicks and I can get eyeballs on my offer. Okay. No matter what I'm promoting, I don't say no matter what I'm promoting, but any business opportunity type of offer, I can send to this traffic, guys. And I'll have eyeballs on my offer. And if my website or landing page is good enough or funnel, right, then these people are going to be interested and start working with me. Okay. So just a little bit, just wanted to tell you how to send out an email. Let's go ahead and go into our ClickBank account. Okay. And I have multiple ClickBank accounts. So this one is I use just for this offer here, just for this method, just to show you for 1 year. This is what I've used. Okay. So as you can see, this algorithm, this has been the algorithm lately. Okay. So before here, I know you can't see, past this, the 10th, but we did get like a couple sales, every day in a row. Okay. And then right here, you see a little gap and then we got another sale. Okay. We go 2 days and then we got another sale. We Mystic Day tomorrow. We might have a sale, right? That's just been the algorithm is every other day or every day. Okay. Or every 2 days possibly. Okay. So, let's go ahead and check today. Today is the 16th. Let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab and let's just see how we did today. We are promoting this offer called Social Sales Rep, which is this one at the bottom. Today we got over 1,100 hops, which is really good. And then we also got 1,000 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website, which is really good. Okay. And we got one order from impression. This is someone who actually went to that checkout page. They pulled out the wallet. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy, for whatever. Okay. So unfortunately, we did not get an initial sale today. Okay. Or we didn't get any rebills. Okay. And if you guys been following along, guys, like I shoot videos no matter if I earned that day or not. Okay, I'm gonna come in and show you the results. I'm not just gonna come in and show you results on days that work and don't work. Okay, so that's not really my thing. All right. So I want to just be everything's going to be transparent. So you're going to see days that we don't make money, and then we're going to get to a point where we're making money every single day. Okay, and you're going to be able to see that. So I just wanted to show you guys the results from today. We did good. We did get traffic, which is good, but we didn't earn any initial sales or any rebills. Now, yesterday we did earn a free trial that will be paid out in about 2 days, okay? Because we got it yesterday, okay, and it takes 3 days for our customer to get billed. So in 2 days, I believe maybe was it Saturday, we will be seeing that commission hit, okay? And then also we did get a rebill yesterday. So yesterday wasn't too bad, but today we didn't get anything. So which is no biggie, okay? Because we've finished our first 90 days today. We're going to start seeing this right here. Okay. It's going to start climbing, guys. Okay. So, and that's why I created this account because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay. If you were to get started. Okay. Not every day you're going to make money every day. Okay. It's going to be kind of hit and miss when you're first starting out. But you're still going to make money. Okay. And then eventually, once you get up into these months, the middle of this challenge, maybe 4 to 6, you may start see things take off little bit more, where we're getting bigger commissions. Okay. And the whole idea here with this offer, guys, we're promoting an offer that has a $20 rebill every single month. Okay. So every single month, once somebody signs up for that free trial, they're going to get billed over and over and over for the program. Okay. Which is $20 a month. Okay. Well, $28 a month to our prospect. And then we get to keep $20 of that. Okay. So the whole idea here, guys, to this madness is to get multiple people signing up for the offer, and we're getting those double payments every single month where someone is getting billed for the program. We want multiple people to get billed for the program every single month. Okay. And that's what we're building up to. So that way we can have these $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, 100, 120, $140 days. Okay. So that's what we're kind of looking for. Okay. So I want to end this video on that note. I sent out some emails tonight, and we're going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.